How to remove background noise in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove background noise from video on CapCut in PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up CapCut, import your video, and then you have to drag your video to your timeline. Now, if you want to remove background noise from your video, then you have to click on the video in your timeline. After that, if you navigate to your top right corner, there you will have this section right here. Here at the top, there is a menu bar with bunch of options such as video, audio, speed, animation. There, click on audio. Under the audio, scroll down a bit and there is this option that says reduce noise. All you have to do is click on it and make sure to check this option right here. Once you are done with that, you have removed the background noise from the video in your timeline. After that, you can edit your video further, and once done, export your video. So that's the way to remove background noise from video in CapCut, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.